Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying hardware and software quickly. Confirm your laptop has a 5G-capable modem or an external 5G dongle. This is non-negotiable. Once done, make sure Windows 10 is fully updated and the cellular driver is current so the OS recognizes the radio. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and confirm mobile broadband appears. If you plan to use a phone hotspot, enable Bluetooth and set the phone's 5G hotspot now so the connection options are ready. Now configure the cellular link step by step. If your modem uses a physical SIM, insert it and restart. For eSIM, open Settings Network and Internet Cellular Manage eSIM and add your carrier profile. You may need to manually enter the APN values from your provider under Advanced Properties. Do that if Windows fails to auto-configure. Make sure network selection is set to automatic unless instructed otherwise, and check data roaming only if your plan covers it to avoid charges. Finally, connect and verify. Open Quick Action or Settings, select the cellular network, and click Connect. You should see 5G or 5G Plus in the status when signal is available. Confirm you have an IP address and test a web page. Run Windows Network Diagnostics if something fails. If the laptop won't register on 5G, power cycle the modem, reinstall the cellular driver, or check carrier provisioning. Often they must enable 5G on your account, and try a different APN as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.